Hi guys, so I'm up here again today. It's bloody freezing. So far, got a quarter of a roof up. Don't worry about the gaps because there's obviously going to be some roof felt going up there and then some tiles. So this is where we're at. Today I've been putting up the cross beams here. I've also put in some massive screws that go in there to keep it all together. I've put screws everywhere, basically just tightened the whole place up because it was wobbling when Chobby was up on the roof. So we've still got 3/4 of the roof to go. So hopefully get all of this. I've had to order some more wood as well, which is turning up today because our plans changed and this is a little bit bigger. And obviously I used a lot of wood for the concrete in and stuff, so I needed to buy some more. And it's that cold, I'm going to start a fire in my little shitty barbecue just to keep it a little bit warm. And what else am I doing? Putting these in. So basically what these do is they will, so if you imagine two bits of wood, they'll go bosh or bosh just to hold the wood together, you know, just to make the whole place stronger. But like I said, like last week, Chobby was up on the roof and he was wobbling about. I was underneath here and I could feel the whole thing moving. No, I can't even bloody move it now. I've put all the cross beams in. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Morning guys, so it is the end of January. Snow's coming in. Yeah. And this is where we're at. So all the pillars are up. The roof is now safe. Completely down for winter. Except that's just temporary. That's probably going to come off when we put a new roof on. So what we're doing now, excuse the mess, I've just chucked it all on the floor because I've got to get all the 5x10s. So we're doing the framework. See along the bottom, up the sides, and then put the joists all down. So we're going to do this bit here, here. Here's a door because there's a little toilet area going here. Here's another door, come into the shed. But this is all going to be framed in, and it's going to be a shed. Fuck it up already. I've got to go that way, not that way. So far, one side is done. I've still got to level them and screw the uprights in. But as you can see there, my measurements aren't spot on around the edges, but it really doesn't matter because it's all going to be boarded in and covered. But I'm going to try and get better as I go along. So we're getting there. Stopped snowing bad, so it's basically alright again. But I'm finished for today. So we've got the framework there, framework there, framework here, framework there. So we've still got along the top, in between. Oh, let me step out here. So here we've got to do, and this side obviously we've got to do all on top. I'm not going to do it today, but we've got somewhere. Now I can buy the sheets and I can actually board this in now and make it weatherproof, so might be a good idea to do it so you can get the idea of what it's going to be. Obviously this bit I haven't framed yet because all my wood's in the way, so when it stops snowing I'll come up and move all the wood and cover it out there so I can complete that bit. We're getting there though, slowly, so let's go over here. That's what we're looking at now. So our main plans after this, we're going to put an outdoor barbecue area here. There's going to be a fire pit there. Over here we're going to get rid of the fence panels there, and we're going to put a car gate, and this is going to be the drive to park the car. We're also hopefully going to start this year, where all that mud is, we're going to build a small cottage about 40 square meters downstairs and 20 upstairs, or 40 upstairs, so 2 floors. So it's going to be sitting over there with a little porch, and the septic, it's going to have a septic tank because obviously we're in the middle of nowhere, there's nothing. So we're going to run the septic pipe down here. We're going to have a septic tank here somewhere, and then we're going to run the drainage of the septic tank underneath where the car's being parked. We're also going to put a miracle hedge, so we're going to have nice green hedges all the way around. Is the idea, all the way around the whole thing. I don't know what else. I can't remember what else we said we were going to do.